Handy advice for making snoring a thing of the past. Snoring affects many people. There is a good chance that either you, or your loved one, is a snorer. Snoring has been known to end a marriage in the past. If you tend to snore yourself or you're simply trying to live with someone who does, you may find the tips and tricks presented below to be of some use. If you want to stop snoring, don't drink that glass of warm, or cold, milk at bedtime. Dairy beverages can make your nose generate more mucus, which will block your air passages, which will cause you to snore. Drinking water instead will keep your nose from blocking, and will keep you from snoring. People who are overweight, especially those who have extra fat in the neck area, will be more prone to snoring. Buildups of fatty tissue around the windpipe area in larger people can exacerbate the issue. If you are presently overweight, think about shedding a few pounds. In addition to looking and feeling more active, you will sleep snore-free as well. Dry air in the home can cause snoring. Too much aridity in the air can dry out your throat and nasal membranes. When they become dry, they tend to swell and that can lead to congestion. Congestion will lead to constricted airflow in the airways. Try to employ a humidifier in your bedroom to help keep the air moist. Speak with your pharmacist about medications that can be taken to reduce your snoring. Although prescription treatments are also available, you may be able to save money if you can find an effective over-the-counter product. Snoring remedies generally reduce swelling, and address other issues that might cause a narrowing of your airways. Start an exercise program. Snoring can be caused by not being in good shape. As you exercise and the muscles in your arms and legs become stronger and more toned, so will your throat muscles. Well-developed and toned throat muscles decrease the chance of your snoring because your throat remains open. Try to not consume overly sugary foods or overly rich foods. Desserts, in particular, aren't a good choice when you have a tendency to snore. Chocolates, cookies, cakes, and even ice cream are associated with snoring. So too are foods such as pizza, lasagna, and other high-calorie, high-fat, rich foods. As mentioned earlier, a large number of people are affected by snoring. Snoring not only disrupts the sleep of the snorer but affects those in the same household with a snorer as well. Use the tips you just read to find an efficient solution to your problem. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.